Hi guys, today I will show you how to make embed message on Discord. Before I start, I would appreciate if you subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to Discord and go to our Discord server. Now we will go to the server settings up here. Server settings, integrations, view webhooks, new webhook. In name, we choose a name. And here we choose the channel in which we want our message to be shown, save changes, and copy the link. Now we will go to Google. We will look for Disco Hook. Click on Clear All. Click on Discord Bot. And here we choose our server. Well, before we start configuring the message, we will copy the URL of the webhook we made. Click on Add Embed. We create an embed. Here in Author, we can put a kind of title for our message. In Author Icon URL, we can put an image for this message. Here in Body, we can write the body of the message. In case of rules, we can write all the rules here. First, we place a title and then the text. Here in Color, we can choose a color for our message. Here in Fields, we can put a final message. In Images, we can choose an image or GIF for our custom text. As you can see, we can put it below or to the right of our text. In my case, I like more to the right. To finish adjusting the message, I will put up here a name and a profile picture. Also, I will create 2 new embeds with a GIF of a color bar. You can do the same, just follow my steps. Once finished, we will go up here and click on Send. Now we will go to our Discord server and we will see that the message has been sent correctly. That's all. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and subscribe. If not, leave me a comment and I will try to help you. Thanks.